Let's see how we can add new content to the website. So most of our content will go on the articles page. When we do add content, it will go there, but also it may be appropriate to put it on one of the other pages. So we have our crime scene response page. So if it's an article that has something to do with crime scene response, perhaps putting it here would also be a good thing to do. We have an evidence collection page, a crime scene and evidence photography page. Now, as far as the articles page, we have different categories: blood stain, computer forensics, crime scene investigation, and so on. So how do we put something new on there? Well, probably the first question is, how do we find something new? I subscribe to a daily email service from the FIU Forensic Library. It is forensic library at gfjc.fiu.edu. And so daily, I will get one of these emails, and it has new studies. Sometimes it has old ones, historical. They have general forensics, bloodstain pattern, chemistry, DNA, death investigation, trace evidence, different categories. I want to see if there is something here that might be useful for our crime scene investigator network site. And under bloodstain pattern analysis, here is something from ashes to evidence, a study on the alterations in blood stain patterns in high heat environments and post-fire scenes from the Journal of Forensic Sciences. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. It brings that into my browser. Now, as far as putting things on the website, you don't want to put something that's copyrighted on the website unless you have express permission. By the way, another way you may get content is for someone to send something to you. And if it's something they have written and they give you permission to put it on the website, that's fine. If it is something that's also been published in a forensic journal, you need to make sure that it's still okay to put it on, because some of these forensic journals, like the IAI, expect that they are the ones who get to publish it. And if you publish it, they get very upset. So here I'm looking, the Journal of Forensic Sciences. It's being hosted by Wiley Online Library. But the key I'm looking for is right here, is it says open access. If it says open access on it, that means we can put it on the website without any concern. Take a moment to look and see, does this look like something that could be useful on our website? And I would say it is. Reconstruction, digital imaging. Yes, I like this. So I want to put this on the website. So how do we get it on the website? Well, first of all, I want to capture this as a PDF file. So if I click right here, it says ePDF. What I can do is click on the top right here where it says download. I click on download, and now that PDF file is right here in my downloads. So I'm going to open it, and now I can see the PDF. So let's see what we do with the web page now that we have selected something here. Here are 3 different templates that we have for doing our articles. There's a template that is just a general template. So if you receive something and you're going to cut and paste and put in pictures and do all of that yourself, template-article would be the starting point. If you're going to embed a PDF, then you want to choose one of the other 2. We have one that's called template-article-pdf-embedded. That would be for embedding a PDF in the article that is not open access. Normally, you're not going to use that one. The one that we want to use in this case is template hyphen article hyphen PDF hyphen embedded hyphen open hyphen access HTML. So this is the one we're going to use in order to post this article on our website. So how do we go about it? Well, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and copy the title. I'm going to open my Microsoft Word and paste that title. In order to name the web page, we're going to take the title and turn it into something usable. So I'm going to highlight the whole thing, and on editing, I'm going to put replace. So what I want to replace is any space I want to replace with a hyphen. And I'm going to replace all. And there we go. I have now replaced all of the spaces with a hyphen. Now what I want to do is turn the whole thing into lowercase. So I click on that, lowercase. Now one last thing, you notice that between evidence and A, there's a colon. We can't have a colon in our name. So there it is. It's all in lowercase now. So this is what we're going to save our template as so that it becomes the new file. So template, I'm going to go to save as, and I'm going to change the template name to the name we're giving this new article. All right. Now the next thing I want to do is go down here to some code. It says here, under read the report, there is some HTML, and it says PDF object dot embed, and then in parentheses, it's got HTTPS colon backslash bash slash www.crimesceinvestigator.net/PDF/, and then right after that slash is where I'm going to paste the name that we're going to use for this document. So that same name that we just gave to this web page, I'm putting it right there. All right. That's going to then call up this PDF in the page when we have that posted. One more thing I need to do here is I need to save this document. So I'm going to click on the save here, and I'm going to go ahead and again paste, because this is what I'm naming the PDF file. All right, so the page gets this name, the PDF gets this name, and that's why I put this name where it said PDF in the HTML. All right, so I'm going to save that. Now I need to put this document, this PDF, on the web server. So how do we do that? I'm going to go ahead and go to the web server. Under webmin modules, there is a selection upload and download. And what I want to do is upload to the server. And you see that it's going to go into the PDF directory. Now, if the PDF directory was not chosen here, I would click here and go to the PDF right here and click select. And then that would put me in the right directory. Okay, so what I need to do now is upload that file I just saved. So here it is on my list, from ashes to evidence with all the hyphens, and I'm going to just drag that file over here and drop it, and then click upload. So what I have done is I have uploaded this file to the PDF directory on the server. The next thing we're going to do is add some information to this page. So we need to have the title. That'll go here where it says H, between the H1 brackets. That'll give us our title. And then I go up to the top here where it says title. I want to put it there as well. All right, so now another thing that some of these PDFs will have are keywords. You see right here, they have keywords, angle of impact, arson investigation, bloodstain pattern analysis, drip staining, and fire. I'm going to copy those. And at the top in the metadata areas, it also has meta name equals keywords. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that right there. And some browsers will actually search using the keywords. They'll allow you as a consumer, when you search, they'll key in on some of these keywords. Now, not all articles will have the keywords. I'm not really certain that they're used much at all, so I don't make them myself, but if they are there, I will go ahead and put them on the page. All right, so I have the names of the authors, and where they go is right here where you see it say author between the H5s. Now, the H3 up here is if there's like a subtitle. So if it said this is the title and then there was something else that's kind of a subtitle, you can put it in there. If there's nothing, you just leave it blank. All right. Now, what I want to do is